Super quick video. We're going to show you how to change the start stop switch in your Land Rover Discovery Sport. So here's the little badger here. We got one of these plastic trim tools. No need to remove a load of panels. If you can get this just under the edge there, there's not a lot holding it in, and you can pull this out. And then this just pulls out. There's no actual spring-loaded tab or anything. It's just a little indent in there, but you just grab it and pull the black bit away from the white bit, and there your car is disabled. Now, actually, one other bonus feature. We have got a loom. We have developed a loom. We're only halfway through this. We're working this out. So we've made this loom, and you can plug this loom into here, okay, and you can plug the other end into here, and you could relocate your start stop switch. We wondered about putting it in up here. We haven't worked this out yet. Right, but we'll give you, just for an example, you could route the start stop switch, and you could put a new start stop switch. What's the part number for the new start stop switch? Here, tell everyone, Alicia. They need to know.
And our part number's on there.
And our part number, because it's on our website.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's our part number. You can put it on our website. But you can also go down any friendly or unfriendly Land Rover dealer and get that part number there. Let me just check. We are not misleading anyone here, are we? We checked it's the right one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you could do is you could buy a second one, plug it in the end of this loom that you've hidden somewhere, and you could put your original one back in, and no one would be any the wiser. We haven't worked this out yet. We're wondering whether we could put it here or somewhere else, but really it needs to be somewhere you can reach it while you're driving, because obviously if you have a crash or something, you need to stop the engine. You need to better press the stop switch again. So hiding it somewhere too elaborate might be a bit much. But there you go. So we have a start, stop, relocate switch. You can relocate it anywhere. If you wanted to put a brake switch in this loom, if you cut into this loom carefully, this tape is really good. We tried doing it. If you cut the black wire and put a make brake momentary switch in there, or an on-off switch, actually on-off switch would probably be better, then you could disable and it wouldn't start or stop. So you could add a secondary secret switch somewhere that would totally disable the start stop switch. So you could cut into this loom, and then obviously you could just put it back if you needed to. Anything else on start stops and relocation? The yellow wire, if you're interested, seems to be illumination. So the yellow wire, if you need to get an extra interior light signal, or not interior light, it's when your doors are closed and your car lights are on. If you need that for any tricky LED illumination, you can tap into the yellow wire. Right, have we waffled enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. Catch you later.